Top 5 best African countries to start importation business from China. Hello guys, welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. My name is Rufo Chifu, and in this video I'll be talking about the top 5 best African countries to start importing from China to Africa. Okay, so if you're a business person and you want to start some kind of business in Africa, then you should look at these top 5 countries, and I'll give you the reason why. Why is it easier for you to import into these countries from China? Okay, so let's dive in, guys. Now, number 1 on my list is South Africa. One of the reasons is because South Africa has got one of the best ports and logistics infrastructure. So importing from China is going to be kind of easy, right? South Africa has got the port of Durban, there's a port in Cape Town, in Eastern Cape, the port of Richard Bay. I mean, they've got just so many different ports that handle containers and things like that. And it's going to be easier, like trying to import from China into South Africa. They've also got a far easier custom process. Like, with their developed ports infrastructure, they've been able to integrate their custom clearing procedures and make them far easier than any other African country. Okay, and of course, South Africa is home to over 65 million people. So that gives a strong consumer market, guys. So if you're thinking of starting a business in Africa, or if you're thinking of starting importation business from China to Africa, then think about South Africa. Number 2 on my list is Nigeria, guys. Nigeria is also a very big player in Africa, the most populous country in Africa with over 230 million people. So that's a huge population, right? So there is a big demand for Chinese goods. Like, China is a hub, it's a manufacturing hub anyways. So if you want to import, you want to start this kind of business in Africa, then you should look at Nigeria because of the size of their population. It's quite huge. So whatever you import from China, then I'm sure you're going to find it very profitable in Nigeria. Of course, Nigeria has a fast-moving wholesale market. People live from other countries like from Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, and all of that, and then come to buy from Nigeria. So wholesale goods move so fast. Like, people sell in cartons. You go to buy there in Onitsha, in Port Harcourt, in Lagos. They sell in cartons. So you want to set up this kind of importation business in Nigeria, and of course there is a high resale profit margin as well in Nigeria. Okay, so guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. A lot of you watch without subscribing, whereas you enjoy my content. So please click on that subscribe button, share these videos as much as possible, like, and then comment. Like, drop me a comment so that I know exactly what you want, and I'll do a video just for you guys. And this is TrueWorks Consulting, guys. If you want to import any item from China, you can contact me directly. That's my number. You can contact me, and we are going to make it possible for you to import anything from China. We've got the plug, guys. We've got the plug. And if you're in Cameroon, we are based in Douala, just beside Hotel Royal Palace in Bonaberi, Douala. If you want to come to our office, you are welcome, or you can call or WhatsApp me through the numbers on the screen, as you can see here, and I'm going to respond to you. Now, let's go back to the video, guys. Number 3 on my list is Kenya. Kenya is one of the major trade hubs, or the entrances to East Africa. So if you want to import from China, then you should be looking at Kenya. Kenya also has an efficient port, which is the Mombasa port, and the strong SME and retail sector. So Kenya should be on your watch list if you want to start importing goods from China and selling in Africa. The 4th country here is Ghana. Ghana has a stable business environment, and it has relatively smooth import procedures, just like South Africa. And of course, Ghana has a very high growing middle class, and there is a big demand for goods in that sector. If you want me to do a video on type of goods you can import into Ghana, then let me know in the comment section, and I'll do a video for that. Now, 5 and the final is my country, Cameroon. And the reason why Cameroon featured on this list is because Cameroon is a gateway to Central Africa. Like, all the countries in Central Africa, from Chad, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Central African Republic, all of them depend on Cameroon for import. So you want to come and set up your hub here in Douala, Cameroon, and then you import from China, and then you can access this neighboring CEMAC regional market. And of course, there's also high demand for imported goods from China into this market. So if you want to start this kind of business in Africa, you've got the capital, then you can just come to these countries. I'm based in Cameroon, so I'll be of very, very good help to you if you want to get started. So you can contact the numbers on the screen through Works Consulting. That's my consulting company, and we help people like you get started on the African continent. And we can also help you if you want to import goods from China. Contact us. This number is on the screen, and we are going to help you import just anything you want to import from China. Guys, we've come to the end of the video, and don't go away without clicking on the subscribe button, guys. Just click on the red subscribe button below and make sure that you share this video. Drop me a comment so that I know the kind of content you want me to create next. Ask your questions and I will do a video in response to that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.